She threw the drink down that she stole right over here.
Two little chicks I was going to get from the dollar store, and I gave it back to the lady, and the lady put her hands on me when I was walking out the door. I didn't steal anything from her.
I had to push through.
You can't do that out in public, right on the public street. Are you able to get yourself up?
Yeah. Bat is here. He hit me with the bat twice.
Does she have anything?
I want to press charges on her because she put her hands on me. You can see it on the camera. No, I didn't. I gave it back to her.
Where's
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Will you
What'd she take?
She threw some stuff. I don't know what all she took. She threw some stuff in the trash can. I know.
Where's that at?
Right as you start down this road right here. And then she threw the drink down that she stole right over here, saying she never got the
Where's
store.
the drink at?
I'll have to tell you. I don't know.
Can you go look for that?
Yeah, I go get it. And then we got two little chicks.
And
Stop
if
talking.
you look at the
Stop.
camera from the dollar store, two little chicks I was going to get from the dollar store, and I gave it back to the lady, and the lady put her hands on me when I was walking out the door. And now the cops are here. I'm over by the tracks. The cops are here. They're like she's. I don't know. Where did she go? Is she going to get the camera?
She's going to get the drink you threw down.
I didn't steal anything from her.
So did you pay for the drink?
No, I had a drink already when I went in there.
You had a drink when you went in?
Yes, I had a drink when I went in there. Go look. If you look at the cameras,
No, sit
seriously,
right
I
here.
gave her back.
Sit right
I gave her back everything.
Sit there.
I had two little chicks, little and they were
Okay.
$1.25, and I gave them back to her.
Okay. Did you pay for them?
No, I gave them back to her. I never made them out of the store, so I didn't steal anything. I gave them back to her before I went up to the thing.
A petty theft case spiraled out of control when the female suspect grew agitated, made frantic calls for help, and claimed she was the victim of a setup.
Is she getting the camera?
She's going to get the drink you put down.
I did.
Well,
That I had?
Yeah, well, if you
You got to look at the camera. That's legal.
why would you not keep
Why would I
your
not
drink
what?
if it was your drink?
I had it with me when I walked in. I was
Okay,
walking.
so why would you throw it down when you're walking over
I threw it down because I dropped everything. I paid for a bunch of stuff and I dropped everything.
I've never paid.
Because she was following me. She was crazy. She's following me, and I'm like, oh my God, I'm going. She was following me
Can
in
you
a car. She's saying, you're going down, bitch, and all this stuff.
Okay, so
So
why?
you can see it by the camera.
I think
I did nothing. Seriously.
What's your name?
Miranda
Miranda what?
Carmack.
All right, do you have an ID on you?
No, I don't. That's what I'm looking for. I don't know.
Do you have a credit card or anything on you that has your name on it?
I got my husband's. That would work. I got my husband's.
Drop your bag, change behind your back. You're being
Why?
detained right now.
Why?
Put your phone down.
Why?
Because who you're saying you are is not who you are. We got fingerprints. So here's the deal. I'm going to give you one opportunity to tell me exactly who you are. And if you lie to me again, you are definitely going to Butler County Jail.
Okay, I'm Tanya Mills.
Oh, there it is. That's funny.
Well, you said so I'm not going to jail, right? Since I told you who I was.
Well, we'll figure that out.
Can
Probably shouldn't lie to the police.
I got a record.
Tanya, what's
You
your...
guys can't legally hold me though without
We can.
stealing. I mean, not
We can.
without. I didn't
Yes, we can.
steal.
We have reasonable suspicion that you're engaged in an investigation, so we can require your name, address, and date of birth,
Okay,
which you lied
that's
about.
fine.
So,
Okay, but you said I wouldn't go to jail.
Well, maybe, but you also lied about who you were, so I don't tell you the truth either, right?
Please don't.
So
I'm trying to
over
be
here.
cool.
No, you had that chance when you told us
Well, I
3
told
times.
you, though.
Do you have anything illegal on you? I'm gonna ask you one time. Do you have
No,
anything
I
illegal on
don't.
you
No,
or in your
no,
purse?
no.
Positive about that.
I'm positive.
Okay. Stand right here. Hey, can you get gloves? Yeah.
No one's gonna poke, stick, or hurt me.
Just take whatever you can out of the pockets. Do you have any dope in your sock or anything?
No.
Okay. Hey!
I want to press charges on that woman.
No,
she,
not
she put her
today.
hands on me.
No.
I
You were
thought I
trying to
pressed
steal,
charges.
so no. No,
I
no,
gave
no.
it stuff back.
No.
I didn't chuck it. I
Well,
dropped
here's the
everything
deal.
I bought.
Stop.
I dropped everything I bought. But I'm telling the truth.
What do you want?
I work with the burn unit. I need to get a hold of
okay.
him. I need to get a hold of
Who
him.
do you
They
work
told
with
me-
then?
I work with. Well, it was a guy named. They said his name. No, his name was crap. I can call my fiance and find out. You can call them.
Who's
They'll
your
tell you.
fiance?
My fiance. He really is.
Okay, hang tight.
I need you to get a hold of him.
Here's the deal. You have 2 bench warrants. The rest you got to go in. You got a probation violation through Fairfield. I have not heard what they want to do with you yet on that. They might recite you on that, okay?
So what are they doing with the other one? What did you say? The first one?
You have 2 bench warrants through Hamilton Municipal Court. So you're going into the Hamilton Police Department to get booked on those. And
Can
you're
you call the burn unit on that? Because I have worked with them. Really.
That's fine, but it has nothing to do with today.
I know,
Burn
but
has
he
nothing.
told me if anything ever happened to call him.
Fine, and you can call him because I'll give you a phone call at headquarters. You can call him, but it's got to be on speakerphone.
Okay,
That's
but
how
it's
that
not.
works.
Can I call him from my phone right now?
Not right now. At headquarters you can, because you're going into headquarters to get booked.
It's in
That's
my.
how that works.
It's in my phone. The phone number.
I understand that. I told you. You call them at headquarters, okay? With that said, you're going in for your warrants, and you're going to go in on
I can
obstruction.
give you a really big drug dealer right now.
It's fine. A lot of people can in Hamilton. So we'll talk at headquarters. You're going in. Is there going to be anything in your purse before I go through there? Because if I find something,
There's just there's needles, but they're my fiance's. He's diabetic.
okay.
He has proof.
Let me see. I'll check your arms out.
Okay, look at my arm. I don't
Okay.
shoot up.
I'm just making sure.
Yeah, I don't.
You haven't been truthful yet, right?
No, that's the only thing that I did lie about.
What's your name? Yeah. 'Cause I'm guessing you need warrants, right? I mean, we'll call for what it is.
So, you're charging me with that?
Yes. Because we're wasting our time, yes. Hey, she might have needles in there, but they're her husband's.
They don't
Are they
have,
capped?
they're lid. They have lids on them.
They're capped.
He has proof.
That's fine.
They can call Walgreens if they want.
I'm not too worried about rigs. And they're going to be going in. They're new. I'm not worried about them.
She began to lie. Her record revealed 2 outstanding warrants and an arrest order for probation violation. And officers even discovered a plastic bag containing white powder inside her purse. And finally, the result is something that everyone could have predicted.
So where all that stuff comes from? Hey, Easter stuff, though?
They did.
Just bring all that back, verify that it's from there.
Dawson, do you want to run by and just see what they have? Verify they don't have footage today, and then make sure, see if they can confirm whether she walked in with a drink, didn't, you know what I'm saying? Like, ooh, there's some dope.
Some dope.
That's a decent amount.
Good amount.
Good amount. Good job, man.
Damn.
Okay. We'll talk to your headquarters about it. So, this is back on the table, just so everybody's aware. Don't have to talk about that one. I'm gonna go fill her in.
You need a bag, Sammy?
There's some in my trunk.
You got vials?
Yeah, I
Get a vial and a small bag for him.
So you're gonna go see. What did they tell you?
They said she took they said she took the drink. She's claiming she didn't. No, you're good. You can keep going, Noel. One person do everything, that way it's easy for the
A list of whatever was stolen, and then if she actually took the drink.
Yes. C was actually taken. Okay. What they can verify today, because that depends if we have shoplifting or not. Obviously, we have a shoplifting investigation. Just provide her name, date of birth, address, and she's lied about that. So at that point, under arrest for obstruction. All right. Just keep us updated.
I don't want to open
We'll
it
take
up.
pictures of everything. Good deal. Here's the deal. You're going in on the warrants. I'm going to field test that stuff. If it comes back positive, we'll talk about it then, because I'm very fair. And then it's going to get sent to the lab. We're going to see what's in it then if it doesn't field test. And then we go from there with that stuff. I'm telling you right now, if that field tests positive, you're looking at the rig charge too, because you're in possession of drug abuse instruments. If it tests positive for a controlled substance.
Then then it would be a recharge, even if it's a prescription or whatever.
For what?
For a sleep aid. I
So
had a white pill in it too. So I can't remember what it was.
Yeah,
it might have been one of my fiance's. I don't know.
Yeah, so that'll get sent off. We're not field testing the pill.
Right, but I don't want to get charged when I don't shoot up. Test positive for anything.
Well, why, if you have
No,
fentanyl or something.
I'm not talking about fentanyl or anything. I'm talking about if it's positive for like a pill. Because
No, what I'm saying is what we field test for today is heroin and fentanyl. If it doesn't field test positive for that, you're not getting hit for the rigs. You're not getting hit for any of that today.
Okay.
If it does, obviously different story.
Okay.
With that said, it's going to get sent to the lab. If it comes back as something, schedule 4, 3, 2, 1, whatever it may be,
Okay.
and you don't have a prescription for it, you can't have that. Does that make sense?
Okay.
So, for instance, like Ambien. Why is
So
it?
when will I know about all that? When do I know?
When it comes back from the lab, is that what you're talking about?
No, when it comes back from the lab or the field test.
Well, the field test is today. We're going to go to headquarters now. I'm going to field test it, and then we'll talk about it. If it field test positive, we'll talk.
Okay.
And then if it goes to the lab and comes back, we will pretty much evaluate what it is.
Then I'm not being charged with stealing because I didn't steal.
Well, they're going through the cameras now, so...
Well, she really did put her hands on me, and I really do want to press charges.
Stop for now, because today I'm worried about you, okay?
Okay, but why can't I press charges on her?
After you get out of jail. That's not what we're doing today. We're arresting you for this.
Yeah, but
With
she might not press charges on me
because you're trying to steal, so...
But she might not press charges on me if I don't press charges on her.
That's not how that works. It's the store, so...
Yeah, but if I don't press charges on her, then she might not on me. You know what I mean?
No, but they're going to press charges on you. That's what they do every time. Family Dollar.
I didn't steal though.
That's what we're checking. So that's what we're checking with the camera. So we're waiting here, and then we'll go from there. Over here, Cox.
Did you?
Step out.
Fairfield advised lanes to the vehicle, the
Face
keys.
that way. There you go.
Do you have anything on medical?
She had needles and
No, I don't have anything like
last
that.
time.
also saw you with your pants down, and it looks like you pissed right now.
I had to piss my pants down.
I understand
I've been
that.
walking all day.
You can't do that out in public, right on the public street.
What I'm supposed to do?
Huh?
What I'm supposed to do?
Go to a public bathroom.
I was walking. I ain't in the problem.
Okay, I'm not gonna argue with you. I need you to set that bat down. I'm not gonna take it away from you, but I need you to set that bat down. Huh?
Why?
Because I'm gonna detain you.
Why?
I just told you.
What did I do?
I just told you.
What?
You were urinating
I didn't
out on
urinate.
Prospect.
How did I urinate?
Someone saw that, and as soon as I pulled up here, I literally saw you with your pants
I've been
down,
walking the whole day. I pissed
and
on
I saw your
I pissed
penis
in
out,
my pants.
and you were pissing right here.
I pissed in my pants though.
How would you piss in your pants if your penis was out?
Because I had to take it out. I had to piss real bad.
Better. I need to get your information. I need you to have that bat down. I understand that. I'm not going to take that bat away from you. But I need you to set it down. I want you to stand up, set the bat down, put your hands behind your back.
Why?
I already told you.
I didn't do shit. I'm just sitting here in the shade, bro. I'm standing in the shade.
I already told you.
What did I do?
I'm not going to tell you again.
What did I do?
I already told you.
What did I do?
I want you to set that bat
What
down.
did I do?
I want you to set
Shots fired. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. What did I do? What am I doing?
See anything else?
Fuck, man.
On August 5th, 2020, 42-year-old Samuel Vincent Richmond erupted in anger after being arrested for public urination and violently resisting police in a tense struggle.
Fucking arms that damn fucking bad.
Are you sticking out?
Stop
Stop
moving,
moving around, man. All right, get up. Jesus Christ.
I have a cold medic.
Are you able to get yourself up?
Yeah.
Okay. How are we going to be able to get you up? Lift you up like that?
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
All right, just get him sitting on there.
Stay with me. Come on.
Hey. Hey,
Stay with me.
snap out of it.
Stay with me.
I'm trying to have him stand up. He's got like a broken elbow. Ambulance? Yeah, we got code 1. If you could just guide him this way, because we can't get him moved. Are you okay?
Hit me all on my fucking right arm.
At least get him on his right side.
Fuck. Fucking arm hurt. You fucking hit me with the damn bat.
You hit you with the bat? Where at?
On my fucking arm.
Oh, sorry. You're good to go.
Roscoe.
Huh? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Where? Where's that bat?
Right here. Right there.
Bat is here. He hit me with the bat twice, pulled my gun.
You alright?
His fucking arm hurt.
You sick? I need to go down to the hospital now?
The confrontation ended with a fatal gunshot, leaving behind an unforgettable, haunting memory. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to follow more shocking real-life cases.